This video is for those people that have been coming to disturb me. Teach us Python, teach me Python. I want to learn Python, you know. And what I've discovered is that it seems cool, like it seems interesting to some people to be able to say I can write codes. Okay. But when it comes to actually doing the work for learning the code, you see that people start getting disinterested. Some people start getting bored doing it. But thank God for artificial intelligence. Like artificial intelligence is here to help everybody. Now, do you still need to learn Python now that artificial intelligence is here? Think about it. You don't even need to learn much coding, and then you have artificial intelligence that can just write code for you. However, this is the catch there. If you're going to use artificial intelligence, you better know what you're using it for. Because even if you're going to be using AI to generate your codes, you still need to know what you're generating. You still need to have an idea of what it is. So now, do you still need to learn Python? Yes. Okay. But you don't need to learn it so much. Now somebody say, why shouldn't you learn everything and be good at it? Boy, if you have AI to make your life easier, why should you be stressing yourself? Because think about it. When research, when those scientists in those days were doing research, they probably had to travel from one country to the other to go and get your books or learn from somebody. After a while, the only place you can get books is in the library. But over time, you can get books on the internet on Google. Imagine those people that started from the beginning, traveling from here and there. Now they just realize that everything is now on one piece of device called internet. You know how it will be feeling like. They probably would say it doesn't make sense because you have to suffer. You have to do this to go and get it. You have to stress your head. But the research, you really don't. If you have artificial intelligence to help you with your code, why not use it? But that doesn't mean that you should not have a basic knowledge. You should not have a good knowledge um, of programming. So that's what I'm going to teach you today. We are going to be learning Python, okay? But we are going to learn the basic that is enough for you to get simple codes from AI. All right. So if you don't have Python on your computer, all you just have to do is go to python.org to download the Python. I've already downloaded Python on my computer, so you can so I don't need to download it. So I guess python.org. I'm trying to let me see where the stuff is. So just go to downloads. When you go to downloads, since I'm using Windows, you download from Windows and then you're good to go. And so after you download it and you installed it on your computer, then it start working. So now once you installed it, what you're going to be using to write a code is what we call the Python IDO. IDLE. IDO. So because I've installed it before, I'm not going to install it again. You can just go online and install yours. Just press IDO. IDLE. So I'm searching for IDO. So this is my own IDO on my computer. Then I click on it. When you click on your IDO, open your IDO, you're going to have this interface. My system is kind of slow. I don't know for whatever reason. Oh. I think I've opened a lot of uh a lot of um a lot of windows. So let me see. I think this new window. This is the new window. So I guess it's here. So your Python ID. So this is where your results of whatever you have written will be shown. But if you want to start, you're going to create a new file to write your code. So you go to file, go to new file. So this is where you write your code. So let's say the simplest code you can write on Python is the print statement. So you can just let's say write your print, open brackets. You have Mr. Fayemi, Mr. Where is also. I'm not going to do any hello word. I'm not doing hello word. So close your bracket. So I've written this code. Let me make it a bit bigger. Something. So you can run your code here. So just click on run code. So when you click on task, it will say this. Let me just say prepare. Let me set as my name. So once you save it, you're going to see the code displayed here. So you have my name, print Mr. Upper is awesome. So it's printed Mr. Upper means awesome. So that's just the simplest thing about Python. So because of I know this thing can be very boring sometimes. So I'm going to divide this this class into different classes. So the first thing we want to relate this class is that we should learn the basics of Python. Let's learn how Python works, the basics, and then we can also learn to use a bit artificial intelligence to make our life easier. But we need to learn the basics first. And then you go to your python.org, download your Python, install it. Then once you install it, you search for IDLE, like I did, IDLE. Then you you go to new file, then you write your Python statement, and then you end this here. So that's part one. So let's go to the part two.